And races on Prime Rate from the outside. Maker Smart down on the inside. Divine Wisdom. Yellowstone Nash on the further outside. Rising up Reyes Angel. Kitty West, Tony P. and Beyond Good is running at the tail of the field. Maker Smart by Lincoln. The outstanding favorite. Prime Rate in second. Divine Wisdom racing in third by Daryl alongside is Reyes Angel. Nash racing in fifth from the outside. Yellowstone, Tony P, Kitty West, second last, and Beyond Good is running at the tail of the field. Maker's Mark by Hapalan, followed by Prime Rate in second, and racing in third by about 5 lengths. Divine Wisdom. Reyes Angel Nash on the outside, and rounding the far turn, Maker's Mark by Lincoln up. Prime Rate is getting closer on the outside, and rounding the far turn, Maker's Mark by 3/4 of a length, and Prime Rate is on the outside as they race the last 500. Maker's Mark by Hapalan, and Prime Rate is on the outside as they race the final corner. Maker's Mark this time by about 2 lengths. Prime Rate is running in second, and nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Maker's Mark increasing its marker to about 4 lengths, followed by Prime Rate, and finally Maker's Mark, Prime Rate, Kitty West, Yellowstone, Reyes Angel, and Nash for your Super 6.
2-7. Tapos.
Okay.